We are taking R.D. Sharma Solutions, Class 11, Chapter 15, Linear Inequations, Exercises 15.6. In various editions of the book, it is also given as 15.5. Solve the following system of equations graphically. So we have to solve these graphically. And these are nothing but straight lines. So we have two equations along with two more limitations. That means we are talking about first quadrant. X is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. So whatever we do, we equate it with equality. That means we change the less than or equal to equality. Similarly, this 3x plus 2y will be equal to 6. It will be equal to 6. Now put x equal to 0. What do you get? You get y will be equal to 6 by 3, 2. Similarly, y equal to 0, x will be what? It will be 6 by 2, that is 3. And here, x is 0, y will be equal to 6 by 2, 3. Y is equal to 0, x will be equal to 2. So now we have points, and we can make a line from 2 points. So we have 0, 2 and 3, 0. So 0, 2, let us mark it. This is 0, this is 2. X is 0, y is 2. Now x is 3 and y is 0. So which is that point? This is 3, 0. Now make a thick line because it is inclusive, less than or equal to. Line is included in the solution. So you have to make a thick line. Now coming to this equation. Now 0, 3 and 2, 0. So this is 0, 3 and this is 2, 0. 2, 0. So now make a line through these two lines, these 2 points. So now we have lines. So what we have to do? First we have to make the lines, and then we have to see whether a certain point is below or above. So we'll put 0 and 0. The best is to put 0 and 0, origin. So put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0. What is this? This is 0. And 0 is less than or equal to 6 or not? Yes, it is. So this 0, 0 origin is in the solution of this line. Is in the solution side of this line. So it is below this line which I am indicating. It is below. I am just trying to shade it. And then the second one, 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0 is 0. 0 is less than or equal to 6. Yes, it is. So again, this 0, 0, the solution is below. That is 0, 0 lies in the solution. Now, what point are we going to take? We have to take these white portions also, but the below line says that it is below. So below line is saying it is below this line. So the above line, we will not take that portion. Here also, the below line, it is the solution is below this. So we will not take this portion. We will not take this portion. We will not take these two portions. Okay. Now, from up till what portion we have to take? X is greater than or equal to 0, y equal to 0, greater than 0. That means we are talking about the first quadrant. So only the positive portions. So this region is the solution. This is the solution. Now 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 6. X plus 4y is less than or equal to 4. And again, first quadrant, x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. So 2x plus 3y, make it as equal to 6. And x plus 4y, make it equal to 4. We are making less than or equal to equal to. X equal to 0, put x equal to 0 here. Y will be equal to what? 6 by 3, that is 2. Y equal to 0, x will be what? 6 by 2, that is 3. So we have 2 points. Similarly here, x equal to 0, y will be 1. Y equal to 0, x will be 4. So now we have 2 points for each of the line. So now we will make the line. So which is 0, 2? This is 0, 2. This is 0, 2, x 0, y 2, and x is 3, y is 0. So this is the point. Now make a line, make a thick line because it is equality also. Less than equal to. Now come to second line. Make it as 0, 1. So this is 0, 1. Now just draw a line. This is 4, 0. So this is a straight line now. Now put 0, 0. We have to put x and y as 0. This is the best solution. This origin, where it lies, below or above. So x equal to 0, y equal to 0. This is 0 plus 0 less than equal to 6. So that is 0, 0 is below that line. Solution set. Now again, x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Is it less than equal to 4? Yes, it is. So 0, 0 comes in the solution set of both these lines. So this is, so it is below both the lines. Below both the lines. But we have to take the intersection of the common portion. So this line shows the solution is below, but this line shows that the solution is this, below this. So we'll not take the above portion. That is, the portion between them will not take. Here also, this line shows that the solution is all below, but this below line shows that the solution is only downside. So we'll not take the intermediate portion. There is one more thing. X is greater than equal to 0, y is greater than equal to 0. That means it is a first quadrant. So it cannot be negative. It cannot be negative. So what is the first portion? This one, this one, this one, and this one. So x and y is bounding. So this is a bounded region solution. X minus y less than equal to 1, and x plus 2y is less than equal to 8. It's 8. And 2x plus y is greater than equal to 2. So now we have 3 lines. Similarly, same thing we are going to do. X minus y is equal to 1. X plus 2y is equal to 8. And 2x plus y will be equal to, we have to make all the inequalities an equality. We want to solve it. So 2x plus y is equal to 2. Now x is 0, y is what? Y will be minus 1. Y is 0, x is what? X is 1. So we'll make this line x0, y minus 1. Then we have x equal to 1, y equal to 0, and this is the point. So with these 2 points, make a line which is x minus y equal to 1. This is your first line. Now coming to x plus 2y equal to 8, x equal to 0, y will be what? 8 by 2, that is 4. Y is 0, x will be equal to 8. So 0, 4 and 8, 0. So 0, 0 and 4. So x is 0, y and 4. This is the point, 0 and 4. And then we have 8, 0. Mark this point, 8 on the x-axis, 8, 0. Now make a line. Now this is x plus 2y equal to 8. This is your second line. Now third line. Same thing we are going to do. X equal to 0, y equal to 2. Y equal to 0, x is 1. So we have 0, 2, this point, mark this point. And we have 1, 0, 1, 0. Mark this point. So we have 1, 0. So this is the same point. Same point as x minus y equal to 1. These points are similar. Now make a line. This is 2x plus y equal to 2. Now put a 0, 0 because we want to see whether the origin is on the below side or upper side. So 0, 0, x and 0, y 0. 0 is less than equal to 1. Yes. 0 is less than equal to 1. So the first line, 0, 0 lies in the solution. 0, 0 lies in the solution. So we have to take the upper portion. 0 is in the solution. So we have to take the upper portion, this portion, right? Upar wala jagah lene hai. So x plus 2y equal to 8. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. 0 is less than equal to 8. This is true. So this is the second line. Now 0, 0 is in the solution. Now take the below portion. Niche wala portion lena hai. Now 2x plus y equal to 2. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. What do you get? You get 0 plus 0. And it is greater than equal to 2. Is 0 greater than equal to 2? No, it is not. So the third line is saying that the solution is above. 0, 0 is not the solution. 0, 0 is not in the solution set. We don't take the below portion. We take the above portion. This portion which I am suggesting. This portion, above portion. So what we are going to do? We have to take the intersection area of these three. Intersection. First, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. That means we are talking about the first quadrant. That is the first. What is the solution here? For the first one, this one. And what is the solution of the second one? This is the solution. For the third one, what is the solution? It's very clumsy, but still you can find out only the common area I am taking. So this is the common area. In upcoming questions, I am going to take different colors, okay? So that you understand well. Right now, this is the portion. So the intersection portion of all these three lines is the solution. X plus y greater than or equal to 1. Same thing we have to do. X plus y equal to 1. Put is equal to 1. 7x plus 9y will be equal to 63. Make the equality. Then we have these x less than or equal to 6 and y less than or equal to 5. And x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. That means we are talking about the first quadrant. X plus y equal to 1. So we have to make two lines first. There are two more lines which are actually the parallel to x and y axis. So x equal to 6, y equal to 6. First, x equal to 0, y will be equal to 1. Y equal to 0, x will be equal to 1. So 0, 1, 1, 0 are the points. So this is 0, 1, this is 1, 0. Make a line, thick line. This is the first line. X equal to 0, y will be 7 9 63, 7. Y equal to 0, x is 7 9 63, it is 9. So 0, 7 and 9, 0. So this is 0, 7. And this is your 9, 0. This is the point. Make a line, thick line. Okay. Now x equal to 6, y equal to 5. So x is 6. So this is the line. X is 6. This is the x equal to 6 parallel to y axis. And this is the line y equal to 5 which is parallel to x axis. Now x is greater than or equal to 0, y equal to greater than 0. That means it suggests we are talking about the first quadrant. First quadrant. So this is the first quadrant. If we make a quadrant, this is the first quadrant. This is the solution. First quadrant. Now coming to x plus y. Now put x as 0, y as 0. We want to see whether 0, 0 is below or above. 0, 0 is greater than or equal to 1. 0 is greater than or equal to 1. Is 0 greater than or equal to 1? No, it is not. So 0, 0 is not in the solution set of this particular line. X plus y equal to 1. So you have to take the above portion. Upar wala portion lena hai. Take the above portion. All this you have to shade. All this you have to shade. Coming to the second line. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. We want to find whether the origin is in the solution set or not. X 7 into x is 0, 9 into y is 0, 0 and 0, 0 is less than or equal to 6. So 63. 0 is the solution for this line. So then below this line, all this portion which is below this line is the solution. But we won't go below this because this line is restricting. The line is saying that solution is above. So when you come down, that means you can't go below this. Solution is not below this line. X plus y minus is equal to 1. You cannot below that. So this is above. So in between it is there. The solution is below for the upper line and upper for the below line. Now x equal to y equal to 5. It is showing that x is less than or equal to 6. So put x equal to 0. 0 is less than or equal to 6. Yes, 0, 0 is the solution. So you come below. All the portion you shade below. The below region. So first, in the first quadrant only this portion will come. But this line says it is only on this left hand side, on this portion. So you will not going to take this portion. You will not take this portion. Coming to y equal to 5. Y less than or equal to 5. That means put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. You get 0 less than or equal to 5. Yes, it is true. So 0, 0 is in the solution set of this y less than or equal to 5. So you take left of x equal to 6 because 0, 0 is there. Now you see this portion. Since it is below, you cannot take this portion. You will take only the intersecting portion. So this line shows below, this line shows below, this line shows left. We cannot take below first quadrant or any other area other than first quadrant. So it is above this one, below this, and left of this. So this is the bounding region. I'll try to make a solution so that I can make in different colors so that you understand well. 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 35. Y is greater than or equal to 3. X is greater than or equal to 2. X is greater than or equal to 0. Y is greater than or equal to 0. That means, first, take this line. This is a line. 2x plus 3y is equal to 35. X is 0. Y will be 35 by 3. Just divide it and get a rough idea. So it will be, 11.8 or something. No, 3 to 12. It will be 12 point something. Yeah. So 35 by 2 when y equal to 0. So you have 0, 35 by 2. Okay. And then we have this. 35 by 2 is around 17.5. So it is 35 by 2 and 0. Take these two lines, 2 points to make a line. So where is 0, 0? Where is origin? Put 0, 0 here. 2 into x is 0, 3 into y is 0, and this is less than or equal to 35. 0 is indeed less than 35. So the origin is in the solution set. So all the portion which is below this line is the solution set. Now this is the one portion you got. Now y is greater than or equal to 3. Y is greater than or equal to 3. So y equal to 3 means what? It is line parallel to x-axis. Line which is y equal to 3 means line parallel to x-axis. This is the line. It is parallel to x-axis, and whenever we have something in x, not y, then it is parallel to y-axis. So y is greater than or equal to 3 means what? 0 is greater than or equal to 3. This is untrue. So we don't go below. We go up to this line. 0, 0 is not in the solution set. So we go up. Now coming to x greater than or equal to 2. X greater than or equal to 2. So again x is 2. So this is the line which is parallel to y-axis. Starts with x equal to 2. Now put 0. 0 is greater than or equal to 2. No, it is not. It is untrue. So 0, 0 is not in the solution set of this line. So we take on the right hand side. We take this is the portion of x greater than or equal to 2. And for this y equal to 3, the above portion. And for this we take this portion for this line. And we have to take only in the first quadrant. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0 means we are taking only the. And what is the common portion of these three? This. Below this line. So let us try to show it with the different lines. So this is the above of y equal to 3. All the above portion of y equal to 3. Now let us take one more color. So let me take one more color so that I can show you that wherever these color, all these three color you see, that is the solution. For this, shade this portion, shade this portion, shade this portion. And it is only above because you cannot go above x-axis, below x-axis. Now take, these are the two regions I marked. Now let us go to the third one. Wherever these three colors you see common, means all the three colors you see, that is the solution. That is the solution. Now take the third one. So this is the third one. So this is below this 2x plus 3y below. So which is the portion? This line, if you see the common red, green, yellow, where you can see, you can see any other portion. Only two colors you can see, or one color. There is only one portion where you can see all the three colors: yellow, blue, and yellow, red, and green. This is the solution. Now this is the question, and this we are going to take in the next discussion. Thank you so much.